It's a wrap, hey man, it's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you adore.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. This video is going to go through how I prep nails before application. So as you can see, I already have my tips laid out, and I'm just pushing back the cuticle area so that I can see what needs to be removed. And also, when you apply your acrylic nails, you want to make sure that you have the nail plate exposed. Okay, if you do not push that skin back, remove that dead skin, you're not applying the product on the full possible nail space. And of course, removing that dead skin is going to make sure that the product adheres properly. It's going to stop lifting. It's going to make the whole application just last longer and look better. You want to make sure that you're being gentle, of course. Then I go in with my drill, and you can do this with a drill or a nail file. You're going to see me use both. Some things are easier to get with the drill. Some things may be easier to get with the nail file. For myself, I find that when I prep using the drill, the nails last longer. I can get into like all of the little creases and crevices and make sure that I remove the dead skin and all of that. But on myself, when I do my own nails, I find it sometimes easier to use a hand file. With the drill on myself, that's something that I am still, mastering on myself. Doing nails on yourself and on someone is completely different. But on someone else, using the drill is so much faster. So here I'm just going around and I'm roughing up that nail so that the acrylic can adhere. And with the nail file, you can really get into the area around the cuticle and around the side walls, and you can etch that nail surface as well with the file. So here I'm just showing you, that you can do the same thing with the nail file as well. Of course, using a drill, you don't want to apply too much pressure on the nail plate. You want to make sure that it's like a gentle tickle along the nail surface. If you feel like you may be too heavy-handed, using a file might be a little bit better. You just really want to remove the shine. You don't want to file into the nail plate too much because you don't want that nail plate to become very thin and weak. And the nail files that I like to use have that rounded side so that I can get right in that cuticle area. And I also make sure that I score my nail files so that I don't cut the client. Then, depending on your preference, you can go in with your dehydrators, your primers, your protein bond, your bond aid, whatever you like to use to help the acrylic adhere better. Right now, I am currently using bond aid in my prep. At the point of this video, I think I went in with dehydrator and primer. But depending on your client's needs, if it's someone that maybe has their hands in water all the time, you might want to use like an extra strength primer. Or if it's someone that just has a lot of lifting, you know, when you have your consultation, these are the things that you talk about so that you'll know what products to use on your client. Now, she wanted her nails fairly short and she wanted a ombre look with pink and white. At this time, I did not have any white acrylic, so I used the white nail tips for the white part of the nail. So I put the white tips on, and of course I already had them laid out. So now I'm just gluing them on. Of course, you can use whatever kind of nail glue you like. The nail glue that I was using here, I don't know if it was the temperature or something was going on, but it was not working that well for me. But when I finally got the tips on, I cut the nails short, and then I did the pink acrylic starting at the cuticle area and ombreing it over that white tip, kind of, you know, feathering it out. Then I filled in the tip area with clear, and that's how I got that pink and white ombre that you see here. All right. Of course, I had to go in with some Itz Sirap glitters as always to complete the look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video to see how I prep my nails for acrylic application. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Always remember to keep God first, family second, and career third. And it's the wrap. I'll see you guys in the next video.
It's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.